Okay, this is Monday with the blizzards starting on Friday. This is Monday and it's melting down. If you see, we got the whole driveway is all done. A snowcat came in here earlier and really plowed down the snow. And there's the creek out there. Trees down there. Snowcat's going through there. And went up the road, and he was up on top. Can't really see too much damage, although just the trees that are down. Here the deck is all completely cleared, because John wanted to have it cleared so we could watch the snowcat come in. And the snowcat came to rescue some folks, but they didn't go. And here is the outside, and you can see that it's melted considerably from a couple days ago. The trees are looking lots better now. Nothing much going on up there except some few red trees. And you see more of the creek. You can see the path of the snowcat going out there. And so it's going down considerably. We'll get over here and I'll show you in the back of what the little house looks like. This is cleared here. Tried to get that branch up off that tree, off the little house, but it's still stuck pretty good, so not going anywhere, I guess. And out back there's still a big tree branch, part of a tree on top of the shed, but it's cleared off a lot of snow gone. But don't know how high the creek is, but I'm sure it's going up. Flag is still up.